this is going to help me organize my technology in my truck for traveling and hauling my fifth wheel. Let's take a look. Hi, I'm Dave, and the channel's Harleys, Diners, Rides. So today, I'm prepping for our trip to Lake George in New York State for Americade. Pulling the fifth wheel with our bikes in the back. And I've bought myself a new GPS, which I'll show you in a minute. And I needed a way of mounting it so that it just wasn't stuck up on the windshield. So I contacted Bulletpoint Mounting Solutions and ordered some of their parts to fit my 2017 Dodge Ram 2500. And this is what they sent me. Or I probably ordered a few extras. So first off, got a telephone mount and the connecting pieces to mount it. So this one's a little bit smaller, or extensions, right? A little bit smaller. This is, or should be, the base unit with instructions. They provide you a little screwdriver. I'll show you that in a little minute. And also Allen key and screws. And here is this is the base unit, and that'll screw into my dash. Okay, so let's go and see at the truck how this is going to mount up, okay? You can reuse this piece, so I'll just put this off to the side. And this is gonna fit in like that. All right. So I need some Torx screws. So this is the final setup. As you can see, I've got my iPhone here. I've got my GoPro Black 8 here. And there's our setup. This allows me to do some vlogging and facing me, or I can turn it around and face the road as to where we're going. I chose not to put my GPS on this mount because it was too close to me. And so we are putting it on the windshield. But anyway, there you go. Nice little setup.